Hello, welcome to the virtual showing for 1500 Cockatiel Drive in Little Elm within Paloma Creek. This stunning one-story designer home is a must-see. It's certified green-built North Texas home. You can see a quick view of where it sits within Paloma Creek on this street. Paloma Creek does have 4 community pools, playgrounds, dog park, fitness centers, walking trails next to the lake. It is a perfect neighborhood. You've got a beautiful curb appeal with this beautiful red brick and painted front door. And let's go on inside. And within this home, you're going to find an open concept layout with 10-foot ceilings that radiates warmth and beauty. You can see here this front living area that's being used as a second living area, but could also be used as a formal dining. There on the left is a large walk-in closet for storage, and you have this office up front with views out the front with French doors that can be closed off. As we walk to the main area of the house, there is no carpets in this house, and we can find our remodeled kitchen with painted cabinets, hardwood added, stone backsplash, oversized island breakfast bar, stainless steel appliances, a gas cooktop for you chefs. And as you can tell that it's opened up to the eating kitchen, plenty of room to seat 6, family room with wood-burning fireplace, perfect gathering for family and friends, a view of the backyard, which we'll take a look a little bit later, and a secondary study work area. There is a private master suite in the back. Take this little hallway back and enter this place that you can retreat to. It's got a nook here on the right. There's the basket modern light fixture above. We're going to see here in a second the remodeled bath that is definitely would be a coveted bathroom with updated floors, wallpaper, light fixtures, updated shower. It is definitely a retreat in every sense of the word. Got a walk-in closet. There's a section to the right and it swings back to the section to the left. Plenty of storage with your walk-in closet. And we'll go ahead and go back to the front of the house and take a look at the secondary hallway. Take another look at the family room and the breakfast room. You can see there's lots of natural light in this home with all the windows. Here's our secondary hallway that creates a lot of privacy for the secondary bedrooms. We've got a closed-in utility room that's got room for a freezer at 6x8. Can be closed off. It's not one of those utility rooms that you have to walk through to get to the garage. See the secondary bath, and then we're going to go ahead and take a look at the secondary bedrooms. Take a look here. There is our second hallway. Back to the very front of the house with the office, and then we do have another little hallway here to a mud room for place for shoes and coats, and there's a little quick peek into the garage. It is an oversized 2-car garage, so it's 22 by 19 feet, giving you some extra storage for bikes and things of that nature. In the back, you've got a over 200 square foot covered patio, landscape, garden, a great retreat. You can tell all the room that's in the back. You know, for more information about this home, please give me a call at 972-974-5055. It is my pleasure to show you this beautiful and stunning home. I hope you will not miss it. Thank you.